So take your chicken breast, fried chicken goes right in the air fryer, and get that one also coated in your oil. Take your chicken breast and just add it into a bowl of some plant-based yogurt. You can also, of course, use just the classic buttermilk, but I find that this is also a delicious alternative without the dairy in it, so just let that marinate. Then, into our flour, you need to add a lot of seasonings. Let's add in a whole lot of garlic powder right into there, followed by some oregano, whatever types of secret spices that you'd like to add for tons of flavor. Then I like to do some hot paprika in there. That'll give it a little spice. Then this is just some umami seasoning. It's a little secret seasoning that I think goes a long way. A little bit of onion powder in there. And of course, your hefty amount of salt and freshly cracked pepper. Give that a whisk. Now we're just gonna stir that up, get that fully combined, because that is what's going to go on our chicken. Beautiful. Now we're going to take those chicken breasts, just give them a little shake, then straight into here. Just gonna get that fully coated in the flour. This is gonna give you some nice crackly bits and really just make for delicious fried chicken. Now, usually this is perfect in the deep fryer. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this in the air fryer, but I mean, look at that beauty. Then I'm just gonna grab myself a nice thing of oil. Then you're gonna take your chicken breast, fried chicken, in the air fryer. You need to get that coated in the oil. That oil is then going to sizzle up and actually turn it into the fried chicken. Really do, the fried part of the chicken. This is not necessarily a low-fat fried chicken. This is just less cleanup, We're not trying to make less fat. We are just trying to make less cleanup. So take your chicken breast, fried chicken goes right in the air fryer, and get that one also coated in your oil. Beautiful. And then now we're just going to take this straight into the air fryer. Start air fry, temperature 375 degrees Fahrenheit. There we go. Come on and start. All right, check that out. That is actually looking really, really good. Obviously, not quite the real thing, but we're just trying to make good enough over here. So we're just going to take this, give those a flip, and then season the top side also with some oil, a nice drizzle, and back into the air fryer to cook the other side as well until golden brown delicious. All righty, look at that chicken getting nice and sizzly. I'm just gonna take this out. Okay, now this definitely didn't come out exactly, and not even, oh God. Oh no, the bottom part, the crust fully came off. Okay, well, I saw someone do this online and wanted to test it, and here's the thing. I think it'll make delicious, juicy chicken. Like, look, this one has some nice crispy bits there. Maybe something just went wrong with this one. It definitely is not, actual Southern fried chicken, but at least it's delicious. Maybe using some of the techniques from Southern fried chicken to make something delicious, but I think it would be a shame to actually call it Southern fried chicken because it's not that.